In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin apps to the navigation menu in Shopify. This process will allow you to quickly access the apps you use most often, saving you time and making your store management more efficient. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin account and navigate to your store's dashboard. Once you're there, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a menu with several options. What you're looking for here is the settings option. Clicking on settings will open up a new list of options. Now from this new list, you'll want to select apps and sales channels. This section is crucial because it houses all of the applications you're currently using in your Shopify store. Once you've clicked on apps and sales channels, you'll be greeted with a page displaying all of your installed applications. This is where you can manage and configure all of the apps you use to enhance your store's capabilities. Take a moment to locate the specific app you wish to pin to your navigation menu. Clicking on the name of the app will open up more details about its integration and use within your store. As soon as you have selected the app, the next step is to click on the Open App button. This will take you directly into the app's main page. Here, you'll find various options and configurations that are unique to that app. On this page, near the top, you'll notice an icon that resembles a push pin. This is what you're going to use to pin the app to your navigation menu. Simply click on the pin icon, and voila, the app is now pinned to your menu. What this does is provide you with a quick access point so you don't have to go through multiple steps to reach it in the future. It's as easy as that. By pinning frequently used applications to your navigation menu, you streamline your workflow. This makes managing your store, whether it's adding new functionality or checking on sales channels, more efficient and less time consuming. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance how you manage your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to pin apps to your Shopify navigation menu. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your store management and maximize your productivity. See you in the next video.